Just an update video here. So I have bracket, pulley, and tensioner. Got buckets of Ford bolts and just figuring things out because I'm pretty sure this bolt right here isn't the bolt that was on originally, because the head is this is the only head that's different from all of these other bolts. And then I gotta find the bolt for that, because that's where this one goes, something like this. So I gotta find the bolt for that. And then I was actually going through the videos and I realized I knocked the bolt down. Oh, it's right in here. These are actually supposed to be studs. I was going through some of the... It's a good thing that we take these videos, because I'd be completely lost if we didn't. So yeah, I know this one's a stud for sure. And I know the one down here. Let me see if I can... That one back there. There's actually no bolt in there right now. But I know that's a stud too. And I'm fairly confident this is a stud also. So, yeah. I know there's a few studs in here. Yeah, that's not nearly big enough. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. That's why we have buckets of Ford stuff. That might be what I'm looking for. But yeah, I just gotta keep digging, but definitely making progress. We're getting pulleys and belts, and not belts, pulleys and brackets on, so that's always good. You know, everything I do on here is one step closer. Tomorrow we'll probably put the dipstick in, and we'll continue on this. So yeah, looking pretty good.